How do you safely integrate 400 volts, components, cables, and systems into an existing car? That was one of the key questions the C30 Electric team had to deal with from day one. This unique electrical architecture should meet the same stringent safety requirements as the components and systems used in conventional cars. The challenge was also to create a system that minimizes the risk of injury during the manufacture, use, service, and rescue efforts. The new electricity system is divided in a low voltage section and a section for 230 volt AC system and a 400 volt DC power. The grey section is the same as in today's fuel-powered cars. In a crash, the Volvo C30 Electric uses the same 6 sensors, 2 in the front, 2 in the doors, 2 in the B-pillars, and a system that activates the car's airbags to switch off the 400 volt system in the event of a frontal, rear end, or side impact.
To find the optimal solution in all aspects, we have to adopt a holistic view, balancing all new prerequisites and properties. We have to develop new system solutions to make sure that the car under no circumstances behaves in an unpredictable way. We have to develop new type of components, connectors, power electronics and software, sometimes with redundant solutions where we control the same signal in separate ways. Finally, we had to develop new test methods to get us the answers on all those new questions.
The EVM and ECM play 2 leading roles to control and execute the electrical system. The Electrical Vehicle Module, EVM, controls, regulates, and diagnoses all the unique features and components that are developed for the Volvo C30 Electric. While the Engine Control Module, ECM, is focusing on the car's electrical motor. All these system developments would not be possible without a broad and deep electrical safety training program, focusing on 400 volt technologies as a base. To gain full understanding of all operating conditions, there is also a continuous need for broad experience and statistics from the field. Therefore, the fleet management system for data acquisition and real-time communication between the vehicles and a central server is designed to be integrated into the test vehicles.